everyone that invented insert finance to it. I'm heard about that if you want to have more money and if you want to see more money, okay, then you have to understand the finance from the skies. In this video, I will cover all the aspects of basic finance from the scratch. I think you have to understand these aspects. I will and so I will in this video, okay? So if you are new on the channel, also subscribe the channel to see what videos like this. So let's get started. So guys, in this video, I will also share with you a data and debit diagram to understand financial ingredients to understand better. Okay, so here, first of all, you are financial impacts both day-to-day life and lockdown security also. Okay, yet only 50% of American adults are considered financially literate in 2024. Our body has you understood what finance terms, process, and their personal impact on our personal financial journey. Okay, it is clear I think we understand our bodies to understand financial ingredients and financial process, how to save money, how to budget our plan, and how to achieve our goals. Okay, so and first on all I was doing here fundamental financial assumptions. Okay, fundamental financial assumptions yet first or you see 192 the 192 $900. Okay, million net amount US household million 2022. Okay, and 3.4% inflation rate there US annual average 2023 and 69% budget users there US full regularly budget. Okay, now you understand there's a basic problem if you don't know about finance, okay, or finance and financial ingredients. So yeah, you understand it. 19200 and that here median net hot and US household and the 32 and 3.4% in inflation there inflation there the US thing around is 2023. Okay, and 69% but the three has the US about the really important. Okay, and others there are more no budget planning, there are no savings. Okay, so they are struggling even now they are struggling for money. Okay, so now you can understand this here about this is very important they have to understand financial nonsense. Okay, next I will talk about pillars of personal finance management. Okay, pillars. So first of all, very many big and important pillars are okay. If you get a budget planning, if you wanna save something to yourself to be a stock plan, if you have not any income source, okay, earning source, okay. So first of all, you then all income sources including your salary and the freelance work investment also and give the economy opportunities. Okay, it is very important thing here, but you understand the whether or when you save something, you to achieve your goals, okay, soon you understand your earning sources, like your salary income, your freelance work income, and your business income, and your economy opportunities. Okay, now is the spending. Okay, so first you understood your earning or income source, and the day you are not your spending instead. Okay, it's very positive. You are nothing more to fix it and valuable expenses. Okay, you worry down your first and then you want fix and valuable expenses and you get up bosom their material lifestyle and pilot war. Okay, you know more bonus for a but it is a plan to achieve your pilot war. Okay, and not fix the time to this and that 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year do we have think and next 5 years. Okay, so there's some wasn't planning how you can get easy. So yeah, next point is national is seeing. Okay, seeing. Okay, past you understand your income, then you understand your expenses, Then we're not then your savings, okay? Bin that emergency plan, okay? Colin, say, till you do 6 months of expenses, okay? Automate savings for consistent growth. You have to have automate savings, okay? For your consistent growth. That you can invest your money in the stocks, you can invest your money in real estate, you can invest your money in Tanzania, Lamiga, new language. Okay, so you have to understand these kind of things. You can save your money and you invest your money in a right place. Okay, so yeah, the export is invest, grow back to stocks, bonds, mutual funds that all becomes for long-term plans of security. Okay, next it is protect. Protect money is also important deal. See about others and income with appropriate insurance and legal protections. Okay, it is also important if you have all, well, if you have under much money, okay, so you understand if you have a low, if you have a poverty and you are able to have this kind of protection from none, like appropriate insurance or legal protections. Okay, so I think you understand both the pillars of personal finance, what the pillars of personal finance management. First is earning, second is spending, third is saving, fourth is spending, invest into this program. Okay, so you want to understand these 5 ways. You have income source, you have spending, what you spend, okay, and your savings, and your investing, and then you protect yourself and to protect your money, okay, later, the assets and income. Now you understand plus of bottom finance management, main source, spending, and your savings, protect, and investing. So next, I want to talk about visual recap and getting started. Okay, so yeah, okay, Pastor Morning said your word. Pastor you said your word. That define the specific with zero violence on targets been deadline. Deadline is 2 years or 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 5 years, or 8 days. Next, you bilateral plan. Okay, let's you build on budget. Okay, so build up this spending plan that allows that your goals and income. Okay, then saving. Okay, then you save. Okay, build up emergency part and see put specific short-term goals. Okay, the emergency fund and save for a specific short-term goals. Next, invest, grow, band to the diversify long-term investment. Okay, and last, you protect secure your financial future with insurance and estate planning. You have noted our 5 pillars here, personal finance management, first income, past income, then spending, then saving, then investing, and then protect. Okay, protect means you have to have insurance, safe insurance, and legal protections also. Okay, to seal, to protect your assets or your securities. Okay, so down or nothing. So these also are very important thing. Yeah, you can start you want Jenny first up present your book. Then you get it up, then you save me. You have to have some money. Okay, like emergency fund or business something was, and then you invest your money, and in the last you protect your pilots of future. Okay, with insurance and this did fly. You understand what I say you? Okay, so next, example we have the special short-term savings. Will this be even if it's not small, but take them progress the okay, so betting finances gets consistent use and here to bear the stability of the and these all mind. Okay, it is important that peace of mind. Okay, here more down peace of mind. I think you will start out with your then okay on daddy home video. When you set up Okay, I think you will decrease your income. Okay, from your freelance work, and you will order. And you will not doing your part properly. Okay, if you have more doubt, peace of mind. So I think it is important the app. So using him stimuli with your the certain words. Okay, so I hope you're not saying is your doubt. You can ask him the comment box. I will he can reply definitely. So see you in the next video based on it's your own channel also subscribe to see what videos like this. Okay.